Hai semuanya, kembali lagi di channel portal Edukasi. Pada kesempatan kali ini, kita akan membahas rangkuman materi Bahasa Inggris Kelas 8, Chapter 5, Embrace Yourself. Materi ini sudah kurikulum merdeka ya. Nah, let's get started. We start with opinions. An opinion is the way you feel or think about something. First, let's start with asking for opinion. Here are some of expressions that we can use for asking an opinion, such as, what do you think about? Would you give me your opinion about? And what are your views about on blah blah blah. Then, we continue with giving opinion. Whenever we give our opinion, it's important to give reasoning as well. Opinion can be expressed in two ways. First one is personal point of view, and the second one, general point of view. These expressions are used to show our personal view. For examples, in my opinion, I think, personally I think, in my experience, I strongly believe that, I reckon. Meanwhile, these expressions are used to show general point of view. For examples, most people, almost everyone, some people say that, of course many argue, generally, and the majority. To make an opinion sentences, the structure is subject plus verb plus object. Next, we are going to adverb of manner. When we are doing an activity, we sometimes describe how we do it. We use a word to show the quality of how we do the activity. The word is called an adverb of manners. The simple way is by looking at the ending lie in many of these adverbs. For examples, clumsily, sternly, hesitantly, hardly, and slowly. For the sentence examples, turtles walk slowly. They speak quietly. He rides the bike very carefully. But not all words ending with lie is adverb of manners. These words are friendly, lonely, and elderly, which is adjectives. Nah ya, mungkin cukup sekian. Terima kasih telah menyimak video pembelajaran hingga selesai. Semoga bermanfaat kita semua. Jangan lupa like, comment, and subscribe.